door. Tell him you're not home. You won't be under any kind of pressure. So let the healing flow. Close the door. Turn on the lights. Come on and go with me. You come on over to my place. Right. Come on and go with me. Come on over to my place. I want them to sing it, right? We go. Come on and go with me. Everybody sing. You come on over to my place. Because if you sing, you might catch something tonight. A girl is looking at you. Come on and go with me. I didn't tell you. Come on over to my place. And if you sing the song, you're gonna get some tonight. Come on and go with me. You come on over to my place. Right, say it. You're right. Come on. Go, help me sing, come on. Come on and go. Get over here. Go on over to my place. You mean it? Oh, if there's any single girls in the house, come on and go with me. He's single, I know. Go on over. Take that ring off your finger fast. Take that ring off your finger. Oh, you're right. Yeah, you're cool, man. Come on and go with me. You see, I'm not married too. You come on over to my place. And I'm on a holiday here. I live in Suriname, so I don't have nobody. Come on and go with me. And in the meantime, this is a. Can you come over? This is the manager of the band. Oh, this is my daughter Araya, and she's the manager of the band. Come on over to my place. Yeah, I have another daughter. Shirley, get here. I made this one too. Come on and go with me. I made her with her mother. Come on over to my place. Come on and go with me. Come on over to my place. Here we go again. This song is especially for people like Case Hughes, Case Funkadelic Hayes, and all the DJs in the house, right? I made this song, I was thinking about you, I was in Suriname and I thought, I gotta make a song for the DJs. Not the radio DJs, the DJs that play the track there. So I said, I was thinking in Suriname, and I said, hey, Mr. DJ, play that funky beat. Oh no. bass and drum is a rhythm section, right? Let me show them the funk. You're the doctor, show them the funk. I'm singing the funk. Before Parliament came, we were doing the P-Funk, right? Give me some P-Funk. We played all the clubs in Amsterdam, Melkweg. We even were once in Paradiso. But it was a long time ago. And since you wanted me back, we were here all the time. Doing all the stuff. What a ship connection. Before we go over, yes, you know the song, the hit, the something, and the hit, and the hit. You know the song. Give them some hit, and the hit, and the hit, and we're a funk band from Amsterdam. It doesn't matter who wrote the song, but we're the funk. We are the funk. We are funky people. We're the funk. Right. Listen, and this song, the funk is, listen. Oh, I wanna funk you every night. You see, that's the funk. I wanna funk it in your mind, if you don't mind. We came to funk you every night, if you don't mind. If you're ready for soul and dance, say yeah. Every night, if you don't mind. You love this song, right? Listen. And what's on Facebook? Just hold it, brother. At Matahari City. I met a nice little girl called Matahari in the city. You know, the problem was, I went to a record shop. I thought I'm invisible anyway. Nobody knows me. So I put on the internet, I got a few super singles for sale. So somebody from Red Light Music, they said they wanted. So I went to Red Light. Just chilling, you know, in the city. And I went there, sold them the singles. They said, how much? I said, I cheap. Not that I needed the money, you know, but I cheap. It's for fun, you know. I ain't nothing to do. I'm on holiday anyway. Then this girl comes up to me. Her name is Matahari. And I looked at this girl, and I adopted the girl immediately. I never knew her mother, but I knew I was her father. So she wanted me to sing a song, Where Were You Last Night, Sexy Lady. I had to tell all about the song, Where Were You Last Night. I said I was young. And every young guy is local. The minute you go and you're young, you're about 70 years old, you see a chick, you go, where was she last night? You know, there goes another one. Where was she last night? Suddenly you begin to sing, Where were you last night, sexy lady? I have a... How does that thing works? I see girls everywhere. Because you're 17. Then you become 22 and you still have that disease. Then you become Sumi, you're on stage and you still have that disease. You see girls everywhere. And the song with the soul with Mel was, I lived in Suriname as a young boy before 15.